Are you looking for the top 5 KitchenAid standing mixer? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 KitchenAid standing mixer on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. All-Metal Stand Mixer. The Stand Mixer All-Metal Heavy-Duty Kitchen Standing Mixer, 5.3 quart black, is a premium, performance-driven appliance built for serious bakers and home cooks. Its all-metal construction ensures durability and stability during heavy mixing tasks, while a powerful DC motor delivers consistent torque for smooth kneading, whipping, and blending with lower noise levels than traditional mixers. The spacious 5.3 quart stainless steel bowl with handle is ideal for large batches, from bread dough to cookie batter. It includes a splash guard for cleaner prep, with 8 adjustable speeds and a built-in timer. You get precise control over every recipe, and the multifunctional power hub expands versatility, letting you attach optional tools for pasta, shredding, grinding, and more. This mixer comes with 4 high-quality stainless steel attachments, combining functionality with easy cleanup, sleek in design and robust in performance. It's a reliable centerpiece for any kitchen. Number 2. Cuisinart Stand Mixer. Delivering power, precision, and performance, our newest stand mixer features a 500-watt motor, die-cast metal construction, and 12 speeds that allow for nuance and excellence in performing a variety of preparation tasks. The unit's tilt-back head allows for easy access to its 5.5 quart mixing bowl, while the included splash guard prevents messy countertops. Also included are a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle. The mixing bowl and all accessories are dishwasher safe, and the stand mixer is available in ruby red, white linen, onyx, periwinkle blue, robin's egg, and silver lining. Additionally, you can purchase a variety of attachments in unit: a pasta roller and cutter, pasta extruder, meat grinder, frozen dessert maker, and spiralizer. Number 3. KitchenAid Artisan 5 QT Tilt Head Mixer. The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer with pouring shield, KSM 150PS, Onyx Black, is a premium, versatile kitchen essential designed for home bakers and cooking enthusiasts alike. With a durable metal build and iconic tilt-head design, it offers easy access to the 5-quart stainless steel bowl, letting you mix up to 9 dozen cookies in a single batch. Perfect for everything from batters to doughs. Equipped with 10 adjustable speeds, this mixer handles gentle stirring to vigorous whipping with precision, and the included pouring shield helps prevent spills while adding ingredients. It comes complete with a coated flat beater, dough hook, and 6-wire whip, giving you all the tools you need to knead, beat, and whip with professional quality results. A hub for optional attachments expands its functionality into pasta making, grinding, and more, making this Onyx Black Artisan model both a stylish and powerful centerpiece for any kitchen. Number 4. 800W 5.3 QD Tilt Head Stand Mixer. Professional grade mixing with high-performance pure copper motor delivering 260 revolutions per minute rotation speed. This electric kitchen mixer features planetary mixing action, ensuring perfectly blended dough and homogeneous batter. Precisely 6 speed settings plus pulse offer the versatility you need for the different stages of your recipe, making this electric kitchen mixer ideal for kneading bread dough, blend cake batter, or whipping cream effortlessly. Large capacity stainless steel bowl ideal for family gatherings or hosting friends. The splash-proof kitchen mixer design features a transparent pouring lid, easily adding ingredients mid-mixing without stopping, while preventing 93% splatters. Complete your kitchen arsenal with dough hook for bread/pizza, wire whisk, meringue/cream, and flat beater, cookies/salad. Multifunctional solution for all mixing needs like cakes, bread, biscuits, pastries, muffins, and waffles. The one-touch tilt head automatically cuts power when lifted, while 4-suction non-slip rubber feet grip countertop ensures safe operation, even during heavy mixing sessions. Ensure the drive arm is securely locked into the base. After closing the head, wait 3 seconds for the safety system to reset before turning the switch. If ingredients are not mixing correctly, please reduce the total weight or split into 2 batches to ensure thorough mixing and protect the motor. Number 5. 7-in-1 6.5 QD Stand Mixer. Onins 5 in One food mixer integrates stand mixer, meat grinder, and blender into one compact kitchen appliance. Meat grinder attachment for homemade sausages and burgers, plus a durable blender jar for smoothies, sauces, and purees. All with simple, tool-free assembly, covering mixing, kneading, beating, meat mincing, and smoothie making, perfect for daily domestic kitchen tasks. With a max 660W motor and a large, durable 6QD stainless steel bowl, this kitchen electric stand mixer handles thick dough, heavy cream, and tough meat easily, providing efficient performance for all your food preparation needs. This dough mixer features a tilt head design. Lift the mixer head to easily install/remove bowls and accessories. And the safety switch shuts off the motor if the head is raised during operation, while preventing operation when unlocked for added safety. The Precise 8-speed mini mixer lets you choose from a slow stir to a fast mix, meets all your kitchen needs. Use the pulse function for short intervals, providing precise control for delicate recipes like whipped egg whites. 24/7 online support Tana's electric kitchen mixer is a great gift for family or friends. We provide 24/7 online service. Please feel free to contact us if you have any problems while using it.